Jonas and Ashley, Epic Updates, back again. Ready to do it?
If anybody knows how to adjust and edit thumbnails,
let us know.
I would love for you to tell me, because some of these are so brutal.
I think that's our clickbait though. When we have these like really weird, uncomfortable facial expressions, people just want to know what's going on. They're like, it's just weird.
It is like literally the worst freeze frame of an entire video. So I don't understand. But speaking of help and ask.
So Ashley and I were just chatting about that. You know, we love doing these videos for you guys. The feedback's been awesome. The response has been awesome. The views have been awesome. We love it all, you know, and when we, you know, it's funny when we skip a week, you know, we'll have people reach out. They're like,
where'd you go?
You guys okay? Everything all right? You know what I mean?
I didn't get the video.
Yeah, get the video. So, but one thing that kind of came to mind is, you know, we're obviously trying to keep interesting and relevant topics, and not just like, hey, just listen, just sold, and blah blah blah, and you know, kind of boring stuff. But one thing we'd love is to hear from our peeps.
And what we think is relevant for us. It might not be for you. And we kind of see the ebb and flow of topics when I look over the analytics of the videos we send. And it seems like some things wildly resonate and some things go over, I want to say like
a fart in church.
Yes, I was going to say like a lead balloon, but I wanted to go with the fart joke. So if you want us to discuss something, let us know. I mean, we think we're bringing value. We feel like we're bringing value, but we want to really bring value, and we can only do that if we know what you guys want us to talk about.
So throw some topics at us, you know what I mean? Like, if you wouldn't mind just reaching out, shoot us a text, shoot us an email. You know, anything that's top of mind. You know, a lot of times we'll be talking with clients and they're like, hey, you know, what's going on with this? And, you know, we try to think of everything, we try to cover everything, but a lot of times when we're like, hey, we're gonna go shoot some videos today, you know, sometimes we're just rapid fire, like, oh man, we got half a dozen different topics, and other times we actually just like look at each other, we're like,
well, and we both have adult ADHD, so we can have people asking us to talk about topics for the past month, and then it gets to time to sit down and talk about the topics, and we're like, what did they say? And I see it. I see all the comments and the emails, and whether you send it via Facebook or BombBomb or YouTube, whatever, however you send it, I see it. So we want to make sure that we are addressing these questions.
So please, quick ask from you guys is just anything that's kind of top of mind that we have not covered, or maybe it's been a while, and maybe, you know, some of the information is a little bit more current now and you want to do a little revisit on it, you know, just please reach out to us. We'll even give you a little shout out on the video.
We love that.
Little, you know, little love, if you will. But no, we appreciate you guys. Thanks for always tuning in. Thanks for the awesome feedback. Thanks for the love. We appreciate the thumbs up. Appreciate the heart. We appreciate the, you know, the comment section and that sort of thing. So just take it one step further and just, you know, give us some content you guys want to know about.
So hopefully we will hear from you soon. See what I did there?
Boom. Thanks,
Talk to you
guys.
later.
Bye.